All right, we are going to finish our notes from yesterday. Yesterday we had decided that a triangle, when I added up all these exterior angles, it turned out to equal 300, why is this not writing, and 60 degrees. And just a reminder, sorry, I should have said this at the beginning, this is your 8.1, this is the second page of 8.1. All right, now we're going to, sorry, I'm tired. Now we're going to figure out all these angles. We know that a straight line, like these different colored straight lines, when I add them apart plus apart, I will get a whole. And we know a straight line is 180. So for this blue one on this quadrilateral, I'm going to say 76 plus, we don't know what that is, so I'm just going to write an X. Part plus a part equals, a straight line is 180. Subtract 76. X equals 104. So this missing angle in this corner, exterior angle, is 104. So you can go around and set up all of these different angles as equations, or we can just subtract. For the yellow line, it'd be 180 minus 124, and that's a 56. They're all degrees. The green is 89, so 180 minus 89 is a 91. 71, the red one, 180 minus 71 is 109. So now I have my 4 exterior angles that are all in purple. If I find the sum of the exterior angles of a quadrilateral, when I add those up, I get 360 degrees. Let's look at a pentagon, 5 sides. The yellow, I'd say 180 minus 121 is 59. The red, 180 minus 87 is 93. The blue, 180 minus 130 is 50. The green, 180 minus 104 is 76. And the purple, 180 minus 98 is 82. When I add all these exterior angles that I just figured up together, I get 360 degrees. I want you to figure out the missing angles, so these exterior angles for all of these. After you figure out all your angles, I want you to add them up. And when you add them up, you should get 360 degrees. So what pattern do you see about the sum of exterior angles? So what we see is that the sum always equals 360, no matter how many sides the polygon has. So be sure to copy, the sum of the exterior angles always equals 360 degrees, no matter how many sides there are. So let's take a minute and practice what we know. I don't know why they're not going together. Okay. Number 7. What's the measure of each exterior angle of a hexagon, of a regular hexagon? So exterior angles, we know that they add up to 360 degrees. If I want to know how much each one is individually, a hexagon has 6 sides. So 360 divided by 6 gives me 60 degrees. What's the measure of the exterior angles of a regular 24-agon? Well, the total will be 360. If we divide that by 24, we end up with 15 degrees. So each angle there's 24 of them. They're all going to be 15 degrees. If the exterior angles of a regular polygon measure 12 degrees, how many sides does the polygon have? So we know that the exterior angles equal 360. We don't know how many sides, but we do know that they're each 12 degrees. So I'm going to multiply both sides by n. Now I have 360 equals 12n. Now we just divide by 12. N equals 30. So this polygon has 30 sides. I would like for you to do number 10 on your own. Use the information. It'll be exactly like this, except instead of a 12 degrees, you'll have a 40 degrees. After you finish that, flip over to the next page. All right, on this page, I have gone ahead and done some notes. So go ahead and copy all this information up here in the purple. Then I want you to go ahead. I want you to do number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Use the information in the purple section and your notes, where we've taken notes the past 2 days, to answer those questions. When you get to number 5, it says that 5 angles of the hexagon are 119, 129, 104, 139, and 95. So, and I'm missing this X angle. So I know that if I go around and add all these angles, so we're just going to have to add all these angles, part plus a part plus a part plus a part plus a part. So when I add those up, that plus that plus that, and then you got to don't forget to add that X, it's going to equal the whole thing, which is 720. And then you'll divide to get how much is that missing angle right there. Number 6 says, so you'll do number 5. We'll also do number 7, but I need to show you how to do number 6 because it's just like number 5. The sum of the interior angles of a polygon is 1,620. So I'm just going to start out with that equation. N minus 2 times 180 equals 1,620. To get that n eventually by himself, I got to divide 180. And now I have n minus 2 equals 9. Well, now we just add 2. N equals 11. I want you to do the same thing in number 7, but just use that 3,960. When you're done with all this, turn it in and I'll grade it. Thank you.